Greetings from the residential district of Buckhead located in the city of Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to 1734 Randall Mill Way. I'm your hostess, Cecily Sells ATL, and I'm inviting you to take a tour of this stunning home with me, located on what has to be one of the quietest cul-de-sacs located in this exclusive Atlanta community. I'm Cecily Simmons, licensed realtor with Kesha Williams, Atlanta North, and I'm looking forward to helping you achieve your real estate goals with integrity, ease, and peace of mind on your terms. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Buckhead is known for its upscale neighborhoods and multi-million-dollar mansions, as well as some regional historical sites like the Governor's Mansion and Atlanta History Center. This elegant and sophisticated home has 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and is 8,832 square feet. This home is listed for $4,895,000. Built in 2017, this home is on a 1.04 acre lot. Now, this home also has some additional fabulous features to offer, such as a primary bedroom on the main, complete with ensuite bathroom, 3 fireplaces, a 3-car garage, and a heated in-ground saltwater pool. The schools that service this home are Jackson Elementary School, Sutton Middle School, and North Atlanta High School. If you'd like to request a tour of this property in person or any other property in the greater Atlanta area, reach out to me. My contact info is located in the description box beneath this video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. And finally, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, or you know someone who is, feel free to reach out to me or send them my way. I love referrals. My contact info is located in the description box on this video. Let's get on that strategy call soon, and I can show you how I can help you achieve your goals in real estate. Once again, thanks for watching Cecily Sells ATL. Enjoy your tour. hope you enjoyed your tour with me today of 1734 Randall Mill Way in Buckhead. And again, I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment as it will help me grow. Also, if you know anybody that's looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Atlanta area, or if that sounds like you, let's get on a real estate strategy call. I look forward to helping you build generational wealth. This is Cecily Simmons, and thanks for watching Cecily Sells ATL.